Experiencing delays in your T-Mobile My Account app or website updating? You're not alone. These issues usually stem from synchronization failures between T-Mobile's servers and your device. Potential causes include temporary server overloads, outdated cached data, or expired login tokens. T-Mobile has been actively addressing these problems, especially after a major outage in late 2025. This video will walk you through troubleshooting steps to get your account information up to date. Let's start with the basics. First, force close the T-Mobile My Account app and reopen it. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to offload or reinstall the app. Next, ensure you're running the latest version of the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that address synchronization issues. Sometimes the problem lies with your login session. The app uses OAuth 2.0 for secure logins, and your session token might have expired. Try logging out of the app completely, and then logging back in with your T-Mobile ID and password. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the login process. If you've recently changed your password, ensure you're using the updated credentials. If the app continues to have issues, try accessing your T-Mobile account through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. The web portal, which is T-Mobile's website, can sometimes provide a more stable connection to your account data. If the web portal updates correctly, the issue is likely specific to the app on your device. A weak or unstable network connection can prevent the app from synchronizing with T-Mobile's servers. This is a common issue where the app fails to pull fresh data due to poor connectivity. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal for reliable updates. The app requires stable internet to communicate with T-Mobile's servers, so check your signal bars or Wi-Fi strength. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to resolve the issue. Sometimes toggling your connection can refresh the sync and bypass temporary network glitches. If you're in a rural or low-coverage area, delays are more common due to network dependencies. Areas with weaker cellular signals can experience slower data synchronization. Consider moving to a location with better signal strength or connecting to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This often provides a quick workaround for connectivity issues. Android users often encounter update failures due to device fragmentation and customized operating systems from manufacturers like Samsung or Google. To fix this, check app permissions in your device settings to ensure the T-Mobile app has necessary permissions, especially storage access. Outdated operating systems can also cause compatibility issues, so ensure your device is running the latest version of Android available for your model. Some users have reported success by granting app-specific storage access within their Android settings to allow proper data syncing. If the basic fixes don't work, try resetting your network settings on your device. This will clear your Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, so be sure you have that information handy. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support through their app or website. They can perform an account-specific audit and provide personalized assistance. Be prepared to provide your account details and a description of the problem you're experiencing. T-Mobile continues to enhance the My Account app and website reliability. Current trends include AI-driven caching and real-time sync features that prevent update failures proactively. By 2027, T-Mobile plans to adopt a cloud-native architecture for improved performance and reliability. Edge computing may be implemented to accelerate data synchronization across different devices and network conditions. For long-term solutions, keep your app updated, stay informed through official announcements, and use the built-in troubleshooter for guided support. These improvements will make account updates seamless and reliable moving forward.